Hey everyone, Laura here with Rags to Rugs, and recently we made available to you on our website the instructions to build your own twine weaving frames. We were so excited to finally get these uploaded to our website, and based on your orders, I think you were equally excited. However, I've been hearing from quite a number of you that there is a challenge in finding the steel rod to make the rods that feed up and down the side of your frames. This is a very important part of twine weaving. Without these, you can't use these frames. So, I'm also hearing from a number of you that not only is it hard to find the steel rod, but it's also hard to find somebody that can cut them and to bend them right here. So for that reason, and understanding how important these rods are, we have decided to include them on our website. We're going to provide a link at the bottom of this video that you can order these from us, and so that when you get started on your twine weaving journey, building your own frame, you'll have everything that you need, including these steel rods. So we're going to provide a link at the bottom of this video that you can order these, and I promise you we will ship them out the same day. We've got the 39-inch, which will support the table runner as well as the deluxe rug size. We've got the 20-inch, which is for the placemat side, and they're sold by the set. So we'll provide that link. We'll also provide the link for the instructions if you missed out, because these are really, really awesome based on everything that we're hearing. We'll also provide a link for the cheat sheet. Now this is invaluable to you if you're looking for fabric requirements to make any of these different sizes. And we'll also provide the link for the video. This is our wonderful instructional video on twine weaving. Included in this is a cheat sheet, so you don't need to have both, but one or the other I would highly recommend. But anyway, we're going to provide this for you at the bottom of this video. And as always, thank you so much for checking out our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your comments. If you have any questions, I promise you I answer these every single day. So as always, make it a great day.